guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. In today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 different Easter themed breakfast recipes. So happy Easter! I hope you're having a lovely Easter weekend. In this video I'm going to be showing you some carrot cake protein pancakes, which are really good, some hot cross bun baked oats, as well as zucchini chocolate Easter egg porridge, which is so good. Anyway, let's just jump straight into the video. I really hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Bye!
So I'm just setting the scene for this first breakfast. I had just done a big workout, I'd done some work, I'd come home, it was a bit chilly, so I put on the fire, and it's time to make our protein carrot cake pancakes. So into a blender, I'm just adding, some oats, some carrots, some spices, some protein powder, some almond milk, all that jazz. Blend that up, and then we're adding in some raisins or sultanas, whatever you have on hand, stirring that through, and then it's time to cook up the pancakes. I will put the exact recipe in the description box below if you do want to make this yourself. And then I'm just using a non-stick pan here, making sure it's nice and hot. I put in some coconut oil, but you could use whatever you want. And then while they're cooking, we're going to make the topping. So instead of a traditional cream cheese frosting, what I'm making is a protein yogurt mousse type thing. So basically I'm just using 2 heaped tablespoons of plant-based yogurt with 1 tablespoon of vanilla plant-based protein. So the brands I'm using here are So Delicious for the yogurt. It's the roasted hazelnut and cashew flavored yogurt, as well as some INC plant-based protein, and it works so well. Anyway, back to our pancakes. They should be done by now, and I'm using this cute little Peter Rabbit bowl because I thought it's Easter, why not use a cute little Peter Rabbit bowl? And then you just want to stack up all your pancakes. This makes about 6 to 7 pancakes depending on how big you make them, and then I topped it off with that protein mousse cream cheese frosting type thing that we just made, as well as some maple syrup and a sprinkle of cinnamon. You could also serve this with some fresh berries. I think it would be really good with some blueberries, but I just had it plain like that, and it was super delicious. As you can see here, so many delicious layers of protein pancakes, and these actually tasted really good. Like, yeah, it was delicious. And look at that. Oh, the sauce that we made on top, it goes with it so well. It's just like having cream cheese. Oh, so good, and it's jam-packed with protein, over 30 grams per serve. That's what we love. And onto the second recipe. So this is a zucchini chocolate oats with an Easter bunny on top. So you could use Easter eggs or whatever you have left over from your Easter day. We're just adding in 50 grams of grated zucchini into our oats with some water and cocoa powder, and you stir that all up. And this is basically very similar to my regular oats recipe. Once you stir that all up, we just put that in the microwave for about 90 seconds. And then here is our little Easter bunny. So I got given this by a family member, and I decided to use it in my oats because honestly it's so good. The Lindt dark chocolate is so yummy, and all I've done is cracked off the head. Poor little bunny, I know. But I just tried to crack off the head because, we're doing this Easter themed oats, and it just works perfectly. So anyway, after your oats have been in the microwave for about 90 seconds, I take it out, give it a little stir, and then this is when you add in your protein powder if you do want to add in protein powder. I don't recommend adding protein powder at the beginning because it can kind of cook the protein powder and make it taste a bit funny. So what I do is add it after it's, mostly cooked. So I just added in a tablespoon of vanilla protein powder as well as some almond milk, and then back into the microwave for another 30 seconds. And then as you can see here, it kind of becomes more like cake-like, and it's really good. Then I've just added in my chocolate bunny head as well as some peanut butter. I tried to kind of make a body of the Easter bunny. It didn't quite work, but I mean, it kind of did, and it tasted so good. Once that chocolate melts, it's just so gooey and oozy, and when you combine that with the peanut butter and the oats, the zucchini actually give the oats like a really nice texture. So I definitely recommend trying some grated zucchini in your oats if you haven't already. Just make sure to grate it really finely so that it does cook through in the microwave. So that is it for this recipe. Honestly, it took me 5 minutes. It's so quick and easy, and so incredibly delicious. Now onto some baked hot cross bun oats. So this was the first time I'd actually ever made this recipe, and it actually turned out pretty well. So I will list all the ingredients in the description box below, but basically we've got some oats, some spices, some almond milk, some peanut butter, some maple syrup, as well as some raisins. And you just mix that all through in the blender, put in the raisins at the end, and put it into an oven-safe baking dish. So I had this cute little ramekin that I actually picked up from a op shop recently, and it's a perfect size for baked oats. So, you know, using something similar to this would be good. And then I've topped it off with a little hot cross bun cross, and I just made that from some flour and water mixed together. And then I put that in the oven for about 25 minutes. So I will say this is the longest recipe to make. So it's more for if you're having a slow morning. So, you know, maybe Easter Monday, maybe, you know, another day during the week where you just have a nice slow morning and you have time to make this delicious recipe, would definitely give it a go. You could also add some protein powder in there. I didn't this time, but next time I definitely am going to. So probably about 1 tablespoon of protein powder, like a vanilla flavored protein powder, would work really, really well in this. I'm definitely going to make this again with protein powder, so would recommend trying it out with it as well. But yeah, that is my hot cross bun baked oats. I decided to top it with some extra peanut butter because your gal loves her peanut butter, and I just thought it would go really well. So I added that on top, and yeah, it was super yummy and cake-like, and yeah, just really, really good texture there.
Hello, I really hope you enjoyed all these recipes. My favorite was probably the chocolate zucchini oats with the Easter bunny on top because it was so good and super quick and easy to make. Like literally took me 5 minutes, so you know, time efficient there. Let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite recipe from this video and if you're going to try any of them yourself. I hope you have an amazing Easter and really enjoy spending time with your family, or even just, you know, having a couple of days break. You know, we all need balance, we all need a rest, so I really hope you enjoy your Easter weekend. And if you loved this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already. We are nearing 2,000 subscribers, which is really, really, really exciting. And yeah, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below. I did want to also mention that I am coming out with a recipe ebook soon, which I've been working on for quite a while. I'm really excited, and in the link below I'm going to be sharing a free sample of the ebook. So all you have to do is click the link below and you get a free sample of the ebook with 10 recipes in there, and all you have to do is put your email address in and then you get it downloaded ready to go. So yeah, click the link below if you want to check out that free recipe ebook, and then the full length one will be coming soon. So with all that said, I hope you guys have an amazing Easter and I will see you in my next video. Bye!